Everywhere you look lately, ads, Reddit threads, tech groups, people keep screaming that CachyOS and Garuda in 2025 are delivering the fastest Arch experience ever. And honestly, the hype almost feels louder than the benchmarks. So I wanted to cut through the noise and see what actually holds up. Right from the start, both distros hit you with bold performance claims, especially in gaming, where users keep posting screenshots showing 10 to 20% gains that seem a little too perfect. And the moment a Linux distro starts promising the fastest kernel ever, that's exactly when you need to slow down and question whether we're seeing real performance or just placebo wrapped in clever marketing. Once you look deeper, you realize that a lot of these claimed boosts rely heavily on the CPU instruction set your hardware supports. CachyOS and Garuda users with a VX2, V3, V4 capable processors naturally see bigger jumps, while older CPUs barely show anything at all, which already makes the objectively faster than every distro narrative shaky. Then there's the hidden cost behind the whole free OS appeal. Both are Arch-based, and with Arch you're basically gambling every update. But CachyOS users in particular keep reporting broken packages, failed boots, and needing system rescues that kind of ruin the whole performance victory dance. RAM usage also shifts the real-world gaming story. Garuda idles around 2 GB because of its bloat and preloaded tools, while CachyOS stays under 1 GB, which means games get more headroom at least on paper. And yes, the Bohr scheduler and LTO build optimizations create noticeable burst speed advantages in CPU-heavy tasks, but that doesn't automatically translate into smoother gameplay for everyone. Even users switching from Garuda to CachyOS point out that while performance feels snappy, the lack of built-in repairability, snapshots, and easy recovery often makes the experience stressful rather than superior. So at the end of the day, both distros are fast, but the hype is definitely doing more heavy lifting than the actual numbers.